Hi everyone, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my wellness planner, which is a classic size happy planner. It's your year to shine. And I'm gonna start with just grabbing a couple books that I'm gonna be working with. So as always, I'm gonna be working with colorful boxes, as well as the new floral sticker book. I am absolutely in love with the new floral sticker book, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that. First, I'm gonna black out the blue lines with black washi tape on both sides. So I'm gonna do the bottom and the top, and then the middle stripe I'm gonna cover with Teresa floral washi that comes in a Be Happy box. So I want to incorporate some navy flowers for sure, so I don't have to renumber the dates. And I know that they have these navy outline sticker books, floral stickers, and I for sure will use them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right on the binding of that, and then I'll be able to cut it apart. And after I cut it apart, I'm gonna re-punch it and it should be all good. So I'm gonna fold it and then open and take my big scissors and cut it. Just gonna remove it from the camera for just a second to make sure I'm doing a decent job. So that's done. And then if it curls up, make sure you place down your edges. And now I'm gonna grab my checklists and I'm gonna start making my workout spreads, which is I track steps, floors, miles, calories, and minutes. So instead of using a stat sticker, I'm gonna draw them myself, like so. And I'm gonna put steps, floors, miles, calories, and minutes. And I'll do that for both of these. And then I'm gonna cover up that sidebar as well. So we have a huge flower sticking from Monday to that sidebar. And these floral stickers are beautiful. I mean, I'm not sure if you guys are as obsessed with it as I am. But to me, this book is kind of perfection. So I'm very, very fortunate that I was able to pick up a few copies of this because I really am loving it. So now I'm just decorating and adding flowers, and I added the checklist from the colorful boxes, and those will be my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. And now I'm just gonna cut some flowers up, and that will pretty much finish up my spread. I hope you like watching my videos. I'm just gonna be adding boxes for each day to kind of have a mood. So this planner, I track, like I said, my moods or how I'm feeling that day, my nutrition, which is breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, so food, and then my workouts. And then usually I put those little things for vitamins, but I will probably incorporate a checklist in my sidebar for daily supplements. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you want to get in touch with me, there's email, there's Instagram. I should respond pretty quickly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!